Cliff and I'm the founder of Avon Farmhouse. We make ready-made meals for families large and small, based in regional Gippsland, Victoria. I'm married to a third-generation dairy farmer, and Avon Farmhouse is my little side hustle where I get to go off farm and indulge in my passion of cooking and creating great meals with farm fresh produce and delivering to our families. The company was established in March 2018. We had a pilot run program out of a community kitchen in Bryagalong, which was quite successful. But then COVID hit, and like so many other families, we had a small child that had to complete the Learn at Home program. We had the farm to look after. So during that time, that was probably my biggest challenge and frustration, was that I was unable to spend the time that I wanted on Avon River Farmhouse. And theoretically, it could have been a very good period for us to do the ready-made meals because it exploded at that time with everyone having to eat at home. But unfortunately, my situation, I had to look after family first. But once COVID finished, we were into it and we haven't looked back since. So I found out about the program through a post on Facebook, Instagram. The mentor that I chose to work with put the post out explaining about the digital solutions program. And being a startup business, I'm bootstrapping this little side business. So I necessarily couldn't quite afford to have her on board. But by completing this program, I was able to choose her as my mentor, and we've worked for numerous sessions over time, and she's really finessed my digital strategy and marketing plan. The greatest takeaway for me is from the digital solutions program is the networking, meeting new people, and with Erica, we formulated an action plan, quite a detailed one, through cybersecurity, a marketing plan, and then getting onto social media. The other thing I liked about it was that the online courses that you can do it in your own time. So for me, that's generally at night time, in bed under the doona with the laptop. I absolutely loved the digital solutions program. For me, it's brought me the chance to network with other people, and every time I talk to other people outside the business, any challenges that I have in the business, we can usually come to some sort of solution, and I see a different perspective coming from their views. So that's why I signed up.